for apple. A for ant. A. B for bat. B for ball. B. C for cat. C for cup. C. D for dog. D for dot. D. E for egg. E for elephant. E. F for fish. F for frog. F. G for goat. G for grass. G. H for hand. H for hat. H. I for ink. I for insect. I. G for juice. J for jar. J. K for king. K for kite. K. L for lamb. L for leaf. L. M for man. M for monkey. M. N for neck. N for nose. N. O for ocean. O for oar. O. P for plum. P for parrot. P. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q. R for rope. R for rat. R. S for sun. S for sunflower. S. T for tap. T for tub. T. U for uncle. U for umbrella. U. V for violin. V for violet. V. W for well. W for water. W. X for Swister. X for X-ray. X. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Y. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z. A for ant. A for airplane. A. B for block. B for butterfly. B. C for cow. C for car. C. D for drum. D for duck. D.
for goat. G for gamepad. G.
H for hula hoop. H for horse. H. I for iguana. I for ice cream. I. J for jump rope. J for jellyfish. J.
K for koala. K for kite.
K. L for Lego. L for lamb. L. M for mouse. M for marble. N. M for net. N for nightingale. N. O for octopus. O for oven. O. P for puzzle. P for penguin. P. Q for quilt. Q for quail. Q. R for robot. R for rooster. R. S for snake. S for slide. S. T for train. T for turtle. U for urchin. U for unicorn. U. V for vulture. V for video game. V. W for wagon. W for whale. W. X for xenops. X for xylophone. X. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Y. Z for zip line. Z for zebra. Z. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning on Universal Reads.
A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. A for apple. B for ball. The ball bounces high. B for ball. C for cat. The cat says meow. C for cat. D for dog. The dog is friendly. D for dog. E for elephant. The elephant is big. E for elephant. F for fish. The fish swims in water. F for fish. G for grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. G for grapes. H for hat. We wear a hat on our head. H for hat. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. Fresh juice is healthy. J for juice. K for kite. The kite flies in the sky. K for kite. L for lion. The lion is king of the jungle. L for lion. M for mango. Mango is a juicy fruit. M for mango. N. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. Orange is full of vitamin C. O for orange. P. P for parrot. The parrot can talk. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. The queen wears a crown. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. The rabbit hops fast. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. The sun gives us light. S for sun. T. T for tiger. The tiger has stripes. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella in the rain. U for umbrella. V. V for van. The van goes vroom. V for van. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon is juicy and sweet. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Listen to the music. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. The yak lives in cold mountains. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Z for zebra. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newt. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for Uriel. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for X-ray tetra. Y for yak. Z for zebra.